Chapter number 11, Rights and Duties. Keywords: Preamble, Independence, Equality, Constitution, Sovereign, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity, Fundamental Rights, Constitutional Remedies, Fundamental Duties, Directive Principles. Answer the following. When did India obtain freedom? Answer: India obtained freedom on 15th August 1947. What is a constitution? Answer: A constitution is a set of laws according to which our country is governed. Who was the chairman of Constitution Assembly? Answer: Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad was selected as the chairman of the Constitution Assembly. Who was the chairman of Drafting Committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of Drafting Committee. What did the Constitution of India came into effect? Answer: The Constitution of India came into effect force on 26 January 1950. Why is the Constitution important? Answer: The Constitution is the source of all laws and powers in the country. The Constitution tells us how the government is formed. It tells the government what it can do and what it cannot do and prevents the government from becoming all powerful. The citizens of India have certain rights. They also have some duties. These rights and duties are provided by our Constitution. Match the following. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Chairman of the Drafting Committee of the Constitution. Directive Principles, provision for free and compulsory education for children. Fundamental rights, right to freedom. Indian Constitution, one of the longest written constitution. Fundamental duty, respect the national flag. Complete the following sentences. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Citizens cannot be discriminated against on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Children below the age of 14 years cannot be made to do work in factories, mines, or in houses as domestic labor. We must treat all citizens as equal and should follow non-violence. Citizens cannot go to a court if the directive principles are not followed by the government. Name the 6 fundamental rights given to the citizens of India. Answer: The 6 fundamental rights given to the citizens of India are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies. What are the 6 freedoms under the right to freedom? The 6 freedoms under the right to freedoms are freedom of speech and expression, right to assemble peacefully without weapons, right to travel throughout India, right to choose any occupation, right to form unions, right to work in any part of India. Mention the fundamental duties of Indian citizens. The fundamental duties of Indian citizens are: we must respect our constitution and obey the laws of our country. We must respect our national flag and national anthem. We must respect the diversity of country. We must help the government in times of national crisis. We must protect and preserve our environment. We must not damage public property. We must treat all citizens as equal and should follow non-violence. We must respect and prefer the rich heritage of our composite culture. What do you mean by right to constitutional remedies? Answer: Right to constitutional remedies means the right which gives us the power to seek justice in a court of law if our fundamental rights are taken away. Explain the significance of the directive principles of state policy. Answer: The significance of the directive principles of the state policy is that The government must try to follow these guidelines while making laws and policies and putting a law into practice.